Looking to add a splash of vibrant red to your desserts or festive recipes? McCormick Culinary Red Food Coloring delivers bold, consistent color every time, without changing the flavor. Whether you're crafting red velvet cupcakes, decorating Easter eggs, or whipping up holiday treats, this concentrated red dye gives you exactly the shade you want, from deep crimson to bright pink. What sets this food coloring apart? It's designed for chefs and serious home bakers who demand reliability. The 32 fluid ounce bottle features a convenient flip-top cap that lets you control the amount you add, whether a few drops or more for larger batches. The color stays true between uses, so you never have to guess if your red will come out right. Plus, it's tasteless, gluten-free, kosher, and contains no added MSG, making it a smart choice for serving customers or guests with dietary restrictions. One enthusiastic baker shared how this product saved their red velvet cake from disaster. Finding quality red food coloring can be a challenge, but McCormick's formula arrived just in time and delivered vibrant, rich color that impressed everyone. Unlike generic dyes that lean pink or fade, this one holds its intense red shade and elevates any recipe. If you've ever struggled to get that perfect red, this product is worth a look. Imagine the possibilities. Candies, popsicles, icings, batters, and more come alive with vivid red tones that brighten your menu and delight your guests. The large size and concentrated formula mean you won't run out mid-project, whether you're baking for a crowd or running a commercial kitchen. McCormick Culinary Red Food Coloring makes it easy to create eye-catching dishes that taste as good as they look. If you're ready to bring bold, dependable color to your kitchen, McCormick Culinary Red Food Coloring is a straightforward solution. It's designed to perform consistently, so you can focus on creativity instead of worrying about uneven hues. Try it when you're ready to elevate your baking and decorating with rich, vibrant reds that stand out. Don't settle for dull or inconsistent coloring. Whether you're a professional chef or a passionate home baker, this product gives you what you need to make your recipes pop. Add McCormick Culinary Red Food Coloring to your pantry and enjoy the confidence that comes with true, lasting color every time.